I haven't had a camera in this location in a long time, really since last season, last year. And I miss seeing the activity, ouch, stepped on something, in this area. So I am going to put a camera back, see what's going on. This is middle of August. And so I want to see what's passing through. This is my tree arch corridor. Nice. It's a browsing corridor. Always have a lot of browsing activity. Big mix of trees, but mostly hardwoods. A lot of oaks, and it's just a really nice area. I like it, and it's consistent. Traffic because of the browse. I know that when I sit in this area, I will see activity. So let's put a camera back out so that we can enjoy it. I love that old tree. Some fond memories there of harvesting a nice little deer, and when I'm sitting next to it, the cows come to visit, annoyingly, but they do. So I'm going to get a camera set up right here where we can enjoy the traffic and the activity. As the deer, they come from that direction. The creek is over there beyond, and they come back and forth. And super nice, super nice. Put this a little bit higher. Maybe the cows won't bother it so much. I don't know. They really love sniffing these cameras for some reason. It amazes me, actually, surprises me oftentimes that they even notice it, because they just don't seem to be that observant. But anyway, like I said, I am surprised by them. Okay. I think I'm going to have to put a wedge on this. think that's lined up good. Yep, okay, let's get her turned on. Get her connected. Connected, perfect. All right. Get this strap tied up. Gotta tie them up pretty good because either they'll attract attention or when the wind blows, the straps will blow in front of your camera and have your camera going off repeatedly until it just kills your battery. So you gotta tie it, secure it, and tuck it so that doesn't happen. Okay, I think we're good to go. Let's see if we can get a test image. Okay, that's on demand. Looks like we got it in a good spot. I like it. I like it. Could come down a little bit so that we can get a little bit more activity close up. I don't know. All that's going to be is a deer trail if I go down. Yeah, we'll leave it. We'll leave it. I don't think I'll miss much. Okay. Just beautiful hardwoods in here. Testing my camera, so I'm going to walk by again and see how high and low the angle is on this little trail. Ouch. Okay. I think that'll work. So where I'm at right this moment is right there. I have a feeder over here. Not. There's no feed in it right now. It's not active. And you can see this is a trail that I've tracked deer on. And where I'm at right now, I have a stand and now the feeder. The camera, and the deer continue to track this way, that direction, or that direction. And this is all this is hardwood mixed. A lot of oak trees. Acorns will fall. And I just recently put a feeder over here. I get a lot of activity from those areas, from those directions. So right over here is another hardwood. Another hardwood ridge. So there's just a lot of go-between activity there. Anyway, I can show you my battle plan later instead of on my cell phone like that. Okay, back to the truck.